Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel guys. So today's video guys, I will update you about my mother kitchen. So because we build a new kitchen. This is we call dirty kitchen outside because we have a kitchen inside house. This is not too big. So that's why we decide to make a new kitchen outside because we have big family, always we have always visitors so in the house. So at the moment, guys, we are ready for roping. So before we make a roping, guys, of course, we need to buy roofing material. And yeah, soon we will applying a new roof. And then this is my mother choice. It's a red color, also the same in our big house. So this is the service from the company where my sister buy both the all things for the roofing. So andito guys yung mga
Ayan na
gamit
yung
na
yero.
pinamili na ng sister ko.
Dumating na yung mga order natin.
Yes. So yung kusina na pinatayo natin, yes guys, ang totoo lang, mayroon talaga siyang kamahalan. Pero nagpatayo tayo ng kitchen. This is for long life, you know. Because we thinking about a new kitchen. If we build a native kitchen, naturally, of course, this is every year we must change. Yeah, I think this is not so strong because my mama before we have a native kitchen. So now we decide to make a new kitchen. So
Ayan
all
yung
is
mga
made
yero.
cement. So we are satisfied also guys. So now enjoy watching.
Diba nag-order ka 20 pieces? 1/4? Oo, nakalagay dito. Wait lang ah.
Ay, 1/4 lang po mami order.
And then yero na yan.
So this is the
Yan
roof.
ang dinideliver nila.
Yeah, the same roof of our big house. And then we have also tricycle. This is my mama playground. We have also mango inside. Mango, some fruits we have in the house.
Ano na lang, 70 pieces pang sesame.
Kaya nga anong size? Isulat mo dito.
So ito guys, yung para sa mga yero. So syempre, yung nanay ko talaga ang nasunod kasi nga gusto niya katerno rin ang yero niya na pula. Ayan yung brother Alvin ko. Kasi tayo sa bayan. So yung bayan doon guys, yung kumbaga sa city, pinaka-center sa bayan na siya. So doon makakabili ka na rin ng kumpletong gamit. So ang ate ko nag-order 2 days ago. So expect ko talaga na ihatid nila Saturday. So yun na nga, ihatid talaga nila. Kaya lang, medyo may nagkamali sila ng, I think, some items na nagkamali sila. So, pero ito syempre, wala namang problema. So, soon guys, makikita nyo yung kitchen ng mama ko ay may yero na. So, I'm happy to see Sonia. Kung bago ka lang guys sa aking channel,
Grabe ka naman. Pag na-UP yan, papalitan ko sa'yo.
kung bago ka lang guys sa aking channel,
Biglang
please
yung
don't
bata-bata mo
forget
ay
to
channel.
like and subscribe, and please share my video
Ha?
at para ma-notify ka rin guys
Kain namin.
every time na mag-upload
Pero
ako ng
pinapagawa namin
video.
ngayon kusina. Sabi ng foreman ko, sabi niya may sulat man dito 1/2 30 cm. Ibig sabihin, sabi niya, ano yun, yung hardiplex na 30 cm, siyempre alam nila yan yung sukat.